Hi, I'm Scott Breivold, a librarian at the Cal State L.A. University Library. In this 2-minute tutorial, we'll go over how to use ArtStor, our largest resource for art images, photographs, and architectural images. The ArtStor database here at the Cal State L.A. Library has more than 2.5 million images in the arts, architecture, humanities, and sciences, and is just one way to find multimedia. You can see images of fine artworks, photographs of artifacts in museums across the world, and the best part is that you can use all of these for free in your assignments and research projects. Let's start by browsing ArtStor. We'll go to the Cal State L.A. Library page at calstatela.edu/library. Below the search bar, tap the button that says Databases. Then we'll scroll down the list of A databases until we find it. If you're browsing from off campus, you may need to enter your Cal State LA username and password. I've already signed in, so I'm ready to start my search. I'm going to do a quick search on the artist Van Gogh. You'll see all the options that the database offers, as well as filters on the left-hand side. You can filter by the type of art or file, like paintings, sculptures, digital files, or even what contributor the art comes from. For example, a museum or a university. Here's one of his famous paintings called Starry Night from 1888. The advantage of using ArtStor, as opposed to just searching Google Images, is that your images will be of much better quality. They're high-resolution scans of these pieces of art or photographs. We can make this as big as we want, and it's a great way to really look at the image and see, how did Van Gogh paint this? We can examine his brush strokes, the colors he used, and see fine details you wouldn't get from a regular online search. Even going to an art museum, you probably would not be able to see the art in this way. And over on the right, you'll see that we have a detailed description of the image, when it was created, the size, and where it was housed. You can also click the Cite This Item button if you want to add this to the bibliography page of your research paper or project. This was just a small part of the various media options we have available in databases here at the Cal State L.A. Library. We're always subscribing and adding new databases to our collection, so be sure to check back often to see all the ways you can add dynamic media resources to your assignments and projects. Be sure to check out all the videos in our 2-minute tutorial series, on our social media channels, and on our website, calstatela.edu/library.